Dear students, we are in the virtual class of English 11th. I am going to teach you the portrait of a lady written by Khuswant Singh. In this chapter, Khuswant Singh himself is the narrator. He was born in Hadali, Punjab on 2nd February 1915. His parents left him with his grandmother when they went to live in the city. He was a renowned author. He was a great journalist, politician, and lawyer. He began his writings in 1956 when he wrote the novel Train to Pakistan. He left this world for heaven on 20th March 2014. In this lesson, the portrait of a lady, Khuswant Singh, describes graphic pen picture of his grandmother. He and his grandmother lived in their village home when he was a small child. He was a religious lady. She always would move her lips in a silent prayer. She died with prayer on her lips and rosary in her hand. Now let us read about love, devotion, and emotion in the story. My grandmother, like every day's grandmother, was an old woman. मेरी दादी भी हर किसी दादी की तरह एक बूढ़ी महिला थी. 20 वर्ष में जब मैंने उन्हें देखा था, she had been and old and wrinkled for the 20 years that I had known her. और 20 वर्ष में जब मैंने उन्हें देखा तो वह बूढ़ी तथा झुर्रियों से भरी हुई थी. People said that she had once been young and pretty and had even had a husband, but that was hard to believe. और लोग कहते थे कि वह कभी युवती तथा सुंदर थी तथा उनके जो पति भी थे, had even had a husband, but that was hard to believe. लेकिन इस पर विश्वास करना बड़ा ही मुश्किल था. My grandfather's portrait hung above the mantel piece in the drawing room. और मेरे दादा का चित्र अंगीठी के ऊपर बैठके में लटका हुआ था। He wore a big turban and loose fitting clothes। और उन्होंने एक पगड़ी बांधी हुई थी बड़ी सी, एंड लूज फिटिंग क्लॉथ्स, और बहुत ढीले ढाले कपड़े पहने हुए थे। His long white beard covered the best part of his chest and he looked at least 100 years old। उनकी सफ़ेद लंबी दाढ़ी से उनके छाती का अधिकांश भाग ढका हुआ था तथा वे कम से कम 100 वर्ष के दिखाई पड़ते थे। He did not look the sort of person who would have a wife or children। और वो ऐसे नहीं लगते थे जिनकी पत्नी तथा बच्चे हों। He looked as if he could only have lots and lots of grandchildren। और वे तो ऐसे लगते थे जिनके बहुत से पोते पोतियाँ हों। As for my grandmother being young and pretty, और जहाँ तक मेरी दादी के जवान तथा सुंदर होने की बात है, he thought the thought was almost revolting। तो वह जो विचार ही बड़ा घृणास्पद था, रिवोल्टिंग था। She often told us of the games she used to play as a child। और वो हमें बताती थी कि बचपन में वो क्या खेल खेलती थीं। That seemed quite absurd and undignified on her part, and we treated it like the fables of the prophets she used to tell us। और प्रॉफिट्स यानी कथाएँ, कहानियाँ, वो हमें बताती थी कि बचपन में उनके कौन से पसंदीदा खेल थे और उनके लिए ऐसा करना that seemed quite absurd, बड़ा ही मूर्खतापूर्ण और अनडिग्निफाइड, बड़ा ही अपमानजनक प्रतीत होता था तथा हम उन्हें ऐसा ही मानते थे। We treated it like the fables of the prophets she used to tell us। जैसा कि वे हमें धर्म गुरुओं के विषय में कथाएं सुनाया करती थीं। धन्यवाद।